Chicken drumsticks, 30 seconds. There is almost no crust and the meat inside is not cooked. Oh my God, how raw it is. Chicken drumsticks, 2 minutes. It started to be a little crust, but the meat inside is raw. It is inedible. Chicken drumsticks, 4 minutes. Golden crust and very beautiful, but the chicken drumsticks are still raw inside. Chicken drumsticks, 6 minutes. A perfect crust, but the meat inside is pink and raw. Chicken drumsticks, 8 minutes. The crust is perfect, golden, and the meat inside is cooked perfectly. Follow for more content.